Welcome back, Generals, to another Let's Fix Generals 0 Hour to make the best game ever. Good, so what about this guy now? Can we merge it? No, Johnstar has written something. Use this as it fixes Bing W instead of being lipping. Exports are still an issue though. That is a breaking change. Okay, I can test that. Let's see if it works. Fix CMake install. Fix CMake install. There we go. Let's see. That works. Link different hash. Good. While we wait for that, let's see what's new here. What is this here? Upgrade.h. What? To 200. 200 is not a great limit. No, no need to comment. It's not a great limit, yeah. Okay, so I guess this guy will be ready, but we have to wait. Tweak the bug fix commit title to match the PR title. Fix late game unit lockups in errors impassable terrain. Okay, sounds good to me. Okay, Baptista has closed a bunch of things here. Okay. Okay, why? Okay. Okay, well, it's probably all AI generated changes. Yeah. Oof. How do these sizes compare with the existing, with the other builds that we do? Let me take a look at these two here. By the way, we still need to compile. We did. Okay. Okay. Update the hash. Confirm to work. So what do we have here? Allow exit. Passengers are no longer allowed, no longer all dumped in a single frame. Allow exit. Okay. Okay, that looks good. Else if. Okay. That's nice. Else if allow exit. If the immediate evacuation behavior from the retail game is preferred, the exit delay can be simply tweaked to 0. For transport contain. Then, yeah, okay. Then I think this change looks good. Allow exits. Yeah, I think this looks good. Looking good. Need to add info about exit delay. Not for myself. Add info about exit delay in the merge commit description. Okay, so there's that, and then by the way, let's also say where this is actually fixed. It's fixed in Chinook AI update. So the Helix is also using Chinook AI update. Is that right? Maybe. I guess there's no Helix AI update. Let me see. Helix. There is. Helix. But no Helix AI. Okay. So the Helix borrows things from the Chinook, but it is not a Chinook. Not directly. There's a Helix contain, but it seems to use a Chinook AI update for flying around. Okay. Let's really double check. So transport, Chinook, deploy state, dozer, hack, internet, jet AI, power truck, rail transport, worker. Okay. Okay. Fair enough. Then I would just say AI updates, edit, bug fix, AI updates. I can say this affects USA and China. Okay, good. And then this one. Did you test what happens if this was not done? Would the disabled builder lock up the construction? Yes, it prevents other builders from continuing the construction. Okay, cool. Will this work correctly when resuming after another builder also started building for the same construction objects? Resuming after another builder also started building. It does indeed. I did record this during region testing. Not sure why I didn't include it. I can't play this back. Okay, now this guy continues work, and then this guy comes back and everything is fine. Okay. Okay. Internal task complete doesn't clear in previous task. Okay. Good. So this one, we can merge it now. Squash and merge. Or let's say not revert. Let's say dial back. Big upgrade to get this. Dial back. Bink. Okay, delete branch. Next. Then I think we can merge this one here as well. tested in generals. Worked. Okay, then do we need to add any information? Okay, I think we're good to go. Good. Then once these guys are built, then we can merge this one, who is Rebase. But let's wait till the other guys are built. Bug fix, AI update, Chinox Helix is not correctly weighted. Okay, we can also merge this later. And now let's take a look at this guy here. Builders now resume the task after having been disabled. Right. So. Task. Previous task info. What is this? M task. Those are action. We are in file. Those are AI updates. Those are AI update. Those are AI up here. This one. Task. Task order frame. Perhaps do add a constructor. Add a constructor to the task info, and then do, and then here do for complete resets. This looks to be okay, but perhaps add a constructor to that, and then here do complete resets of the task. Task info. Hold on. Task info. What is task info? Those are task info. And the other one, previous task, those are tasks. Those are tasks. Huh? What is those are task? This one, Sanenum? Ah, it's an enum. Okay. Uh-huh. I see. Mm-hmm. Um, to Spackers at tweak. Tweak. Yeah. So I wonder what the AI is complaining about here. Initialize to ensure deterministic behavior. Not declared. Previous task. Adding the constructor also helps initialize these things. Things easier. Constructors can be removed. Reptile still complaining about something. Chinook and Helix is not correctly. Wait for the passengers. Okay, so let me see where we currently stand. I think we merged 3 changes so far. Yeah, we did. They're still building. Okay. Okay, let me get eyes on author Cabal 009. So he has this change here, and that's it. Extracted from factor. Okay, for some reason I didn't find this in the list. Why not? Ah, here, it's at the very bottom. Okay. Okay, the change needs splitting. Logic change, likely code generation change, no logic change. Script engine. Okay, good. Okay, the Sky Aero is not reacting here on this review, so I will dismiss this review. Inactive. Good. Can you move the changes set to change behavior into a separate pile? Okay. Let's see. Shouldn't this be moved? Correct. Shouldn't this also be option? Oh, it is for options menu. But then why did he not remove this here? Huh? Options menu. Options. Fix. It's not a bug fix. Well, does it change behavior in game or? I don't know. Probably not upon. Fix. Options menu. Resolution. He says it's unused. Set defaults. Set defaults. Is that really unused? I don't think it is. Let me put a breakpoint here. Okay, that didn't work. Why not? Why is this code not hitting? Set defaults. It is called here, no? Huh? I'm confused. Okay, for some reason we cannot put breakpoints there. I don't understand why. Oh, it's general's code. But it looks like we are in 0 hour. Okay, let's try that again. There we go. So, options. Let's change resolution to that, accept. Ah, we need to press the default button. Default, there we go. So this code is called. Oh, but, modify display settings false. There we go. Right. Okay. Changing our presence in unused condition resolution for unused condition options menu. Okay, I think that is fair. Good. Then I will now merge this guy. Why does the build take so long again? 7, 8 minutes, 8 minutes. Yeah, that's okay. Good, I think we can merge this one now. Also add a reaction here. Rockets emoji. Very nice. Okay, confirm, rebase and merge. Is that right? 2 commits, let me double check the commits. Yeah. Okay, then next we can merge this one and then this one. And then he needs to update this one. Yeah. Good. Baby steps, yeah. Okay. Okay, so um, so Cabal. Let's stick with Cabal here. I think Cabal previously requested to review this one. 29.6. 29.6 is this one. Okay, let's take a look at that. Fix uninitialized variable in object creation list to avoid mismatches. Uninitialized variable. Code is called GLA rebel aimer special power. Result pos remains uninitialized if find position around fails. Returns false, making the behavior undeterministic, may cause mismatches. This can be tested when calling the special power on a large body of water. Max distance formation is quite large for the special power, so it has to be a large body of water. Mountainous terrain probably also works. For the Contra mod, this is called for the USA Air Force General Special Power that spawns Comanches, which has a much lower test radius, so find position around it is more likely to fail. Okay, I don't understand what I just read there. Fix correctly address a well-documented uninitialized variable bug. Okay. Okay, so Grabtile is happy, Helmut is happy, Cabal is happy. Let's see if we are happy. Position variable needs to be initialized before use. Let's see. Find position around. Find position around pos. Okay, I'm confused here by this. What is uninitialized here? Position variable needs to be initialized before use. So this one, yeah? Or what? Huh? Okay. Find position around. Result pos. Okay, I still don't understand it. Let me read the text again. Result pos remains uninitialized if this fails. Okay. They call this function and it can or cannot be set. I see. Making the behavior undeterministic. I see. Then I wonder, find position around. Are there other places that do that? Okay, the other places they do check here. This one does not. Oh, but okay, this one looks safe. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Hmm. This one also looks safe. Yeah, this one looks unsafe. Um, pause. Pause is what? Pause. Cons. Pause. Okay. Hmm. You could also write this like so. Like this, and then this. I don't think that this message here is necessary, but he can do that, yeah. Doesn't hurt, but I don't think we did it for other places, so I wouldn't mind to just keep it simple like this. Saves the branch. Okay, but otherwise it looks perfectly fine, so yeah, can do that, sure. Looks reasonable. Needs to be replicated in generals. Good. Then let's see what the current state here is. It's building. Good. Then afterwards I will merge this guy here. Looking good. Good, then let's prepare the merge here. So we want to specify the So just Chinook and Helix behavior so that they evacuate the passengers with the correct timing. Originally, the exit delay field of the transfer was ignored. Passengers were immediately evacuated. The aircraft was already landed. Evacuation behavior. Tweaked to 0. Okay, just adjust the behavior. Okay, evacuate the passengers with the correct timing. Originally, the exit delay field of the transport containment module was ignored and all passengers were immediately evacuated unless the aircraft was already landed. With this change, the exit delay field is always respected and remains consistent across all evacuation pathways. If the immediate evacuation behavior is preferred, then exit delay can be tweaked to 0. Okay. Yeah, I think it's important to give this information so that, you know, mods that inherit this change and they prefer like evacuation all at once, that they can still do this by setting the exit delay to 0. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Exit delay. Let's clarify any fields. Mm-hmm. Okay. Then I think this can be merged. Like right now. Just, you know. Behavior. Mm-hmm. Good. Mm-hmm. Good. Fix this. This from the patch repository. Close. Okay. Mm-hmm. Good. Then options menu. That will be next. Let's put some fire here under the paper. Yeah. Good. Then next, let's go to main. Actually, no. Let's go to let's go to main. Let's do a fetch and prune all remotes. Okay, then let's delete this guy here, and this one, and now let's get latest, pull rebase, and then I would like to finalize this guy here, which we should now be able to do. Rebase. Okay, I'm not sure what I'm looking at here. Get bytes per pixel. Do we have to do it like this? Maybe. Yeah, okay. Okay, I can't remember what I did here in this change. I guess we just take that. We just take blue. We always take blue. Okay. Oops. What has not been resolved? This one? Huh? Okay, I'm not sure what I'm looking at here right now. What is the problem? One or more conflicts have not been resolved. Which one? Huh? Everything has been resolved. What's the problem? Oh boy. I don't know what the problem is here. Everything looks fine to me. This looks correct. Correct, correct, correct. I don't understand. What's the problem here? Okay, let's just click on save. Continue. Oh boy. Okay, abort rebase. Delete. So fix radar draw pixel color 2. Oh boy. Rename. Okay, how about we cherry pick here? So we have this guy. Yeah, so we cherry pick this guy. I think that's what we need to do. And there are conflicts. Let's resolve them. Null. Okay, next. Yeah. I guess we take that. We need to copy this one here. Description. Pixel size. Okay, I hope that's correct. So this pixel size. Format, okay. Okay. Sorry. Are we not initializing this guy? We are here. Okay. Okay. So color to W3D format. Okay. Then let's make a commit. And then let's compile this guy. Let's remove generals. Generate. In the meantime, let's see if this one is building now. Yep, it just started. It takes so long to build this now for some reason. 7 minutes, 8 minutes. The longest is 8 minutes. It seems so long. Okay, we can merge the next guy. Fix or change. Change. Yeah, let's stick with change. Incorrect. Oh, that's okay. Okay. Okay, then I guess that this one will now conflict. Garrison logic changes alter behavior. Okay, I'm a bit confused right now. Did I make a mistake now? I think I made a mistake. No, I didn't make a mistake. It was already replicated. Okay. I'm confused. Why is this not causing a merge conflict with this one? Because this one still has this in here. This can be removed from this change now. Griptile is warning about one of the changes altering behavior. Please check. Okay, oh boy. Stop debugging, no, why not? Initialize variables. So this one, 87 and 748. I don't see 748. Can you get all of them ready to merge and then poke me? It's difficult to keep track of. Good. Then let me finish this guy here. Radar pixel color for non. Radar pixel color. Radar pixel color. Okay, let's build this. Okay, let me check if I need to do anything on my own changes. I totally forgot about that. 4 or 5 only. Header corrections. No, I don't think so. No, I'm just waiting for review here on this one. Okay, let me see if there's anything else I need to attend on my own. I always like to check my own reviews to to not run risk, well, apart from the ones here at the bottom, run risk that they get stale forever. Well, I mean, that's the case for these guys here. I can probably revisit this guy again. Yeah. Yeah, this one is also old. This one is draft. You can probably close this one. I think this can be closed, yeah. Okay. Okay, this one needs review. Good, then I will push. No, I need to test it first. Failed. Oh boy. Error. Surface disk. SD. Surface disk. I have a couple of these. Surface disk. So I added 3 surface disks. Yeah. We search for SD. Maybe we should rename this to surface disk. Surface disk. Okay. Three succeeded. Okay, let's see if that works. Options. Let's bump that resolution. Yeah, so we can see that we can see well. Skirmish. And China, USA, and yeah, we just need to see a radar. Let's get the radar. We see a radar. Let's make a big rush with Dragon tanks. Oh boy. Oh boy, the traffic jam. Oh, he wants to rush, eh? Oh. Oh. Yeah, but I'm on top of this issue. Oh, he wants to bunker. Luckily, it's no EMP Patriot, otherwise I would be wrecked now. Wow, it's good defense here. Oh, the Humvees are scared. Oh, very strong, those Humvees. And this Drang tank's very weak here. They have troubles. Oh, there's too many of them, I see. Interestingly, I have so many units, but I still struggle. Look, they're so weak here, the Drang tanks. Too weak. I need some buff. I think it's better to just like drive in there. Oh shit, they're getting wrecked here. Why are so weak? Come on, kill the tanks. Holy smokes. Oh boy. Oh boy. Okay, so it's quite laggy here. Yeah. Let's see how long this command center takes. Yeah. Okay, goes down pretty fast. It's a bit sad how long it takes though to destroy those tanks. Okay, well, it looks very solid. The radar is stable. Everything is pretty. Okay, we win. Victorious. Fantastic. Good. I think that looks fine. So I would say we push this guy. And so we do this. Fix radar pixel color. Let's say revert fix radar pixel color format. Okay, maybe we should also previously we did some changes for the radar. Let me do a yeah. Good. Then can open this and we say greater. So it's a follow-up for this one. Well, not really. Did we add any description here on this guy? Oh, we did add a documentation here. Let me add also some documentation for this format here. Question is where? Maybe we add it here. I see an error here. Surface format. Short texture format. Short surface format. Yeah, I think it's fine. Pixel size. How about we rename this to color? Because the C is very unreadable. Color. I think that's a bit better. Okay, I don't know where I can document this into like a single place. Maybe add this function. I don't know. Draw pixel color. Yeah, I don't know. I think it's okay. I don't know where to document this. Good, then here we say follow up for this change converts pixel colors, fixes radar pixel colors into the correct format. Converts radar pixel colors into the correct format before writing them into the surface, to the DirectX surface. It's ARGB. If so, required. I have not been able to figure out how to get the game to use a non-surface on my machine, so I was not able to really confirm that this is a useful change, but it seems like this is the perfectly correct thing to do. This is the correct thing to do. Good. So this is fix minor rendering gen ZH milestone nothing. The function is mostly generated by Chippy, ChatGPT. Okay. Good. I will see if GrabTile will have anything to complain there. Reasonable, saves a branch. Okay, good. Then here, I think there's nothing else to do for me. Yeah. Then, good. Here I need to wait for Cabal to take action. Okay. Good. I think I think I'm done here in the session. Yeah. Let's see if there's something urgent we need to look at. Fix spelling errors. Let me take a look at that. Good. Yeah, I think I will end it here. Okay. Good. Quest changes review. Quest changes review. Quest changes review. Good. Then let's see if Greptile is happy with this. Oh, 4-5. Let me see. Style improvements. Should be reset to that for consistency. Let me see. Line 1431. 1431. By the way, do we need to replicate it to generals? No, it's on core. 1431. Let's see. 1431. Ah. Aha. Fair enough. Fair enough. Okay, I've done that. Implements correctly, handles pixel format conversion with proper bit shifting and masking logic. Changes are with structure, include appropriate insertions. Blah blah blah. Okay. Blah blah. Okay. Good. Good. Let me take one more look at this one here. Almost always larger, as these builds have a lot of statically linked libraries. It could be done in linked DLs. Ease of use. Add OmniBlade to this. Well, it's OmniBlade. But it's because it adds an install target to the Bing module, but we don't actually want to install it with the main project. Leave it with me and I will work out a solution. Probably gate the install target behind the Bing target being top level or not. Need to know if that is absolutely required. Thank you. You can sync with Johnstar ID, I guess. Here's another review for your expertise. Okay, cool. OmniBlade takes care of all the CMake building platform stuff. That's great. Yeah, that's more his domain. That's not my strong suit. I only know Windows. That's it. Windows, code, games. That's it. That's my domain. Windows, game code, engine code. That's it. I don't want to mess with platforms and build pipelines and not my turf. But it doesn't have to be, right? You don't need to do everything at once, right? Good. Okay, then let me add some labels here. So this is build minor platform. Good, then... blah, blah, blah. Blah, blah, blah. Okay, so I think we are happy here. Good. Then I think I will end it here. Good. Then I wish you a great day or night. Until next time. Goodbye.